Hey guys, it's George. Welcome back to another Worth It Wednesday. So today we are testing out the St. Moriz Colour Correcting Tanning Mousse. This video is a bit of a wild ride, I won't lie. Lots of mixed opinions, but please keep watching to see the final result. And if you do enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Okay, so I kind of forgot to film a bit of an introduction, but this is literally the colour I am before. For some reason my arms are more tan than my hands, just in general. Don't really know why, but just going in with a clean Bondi Sands mitt. I made sure to wash it before using this to create like a fair test. And then, yeah, just basically started getting on with my fake tan. So when it came out, it was quite dark, and I was like a bit concerned, but I was like, oh no, all fake tans come out this colour, it's fine. And then basically went ahead and just started applying it the same way that I apply all my tans. I found when applying it, it did turn out a bit patchy, and then this was the colour of my legs after one coat. And I was like, oh my gosh, that is dark, but let's see how it goes overnight. Okay, so I've woken up. I only did one layer. I don't think you guys are ready to see the colour of my legs right now. I'll show you. Hopefully it gets lighter after I wash it off, but right now I'm a bit stressed. I mean, I can't. What? Look at my arms. I'm such... yeah. We're gonna have to go wash this off and hopefully it gets lighter. Okay, so we have showered it off. My opinions have changed. Like, this is actually really quite a nice colour. Matches my face fake tan. My hands are a little bit dark, but like, who gets their hands right every time? So let me quickly show you my legs, because they were the ones that were bad. So I mean, I don't really know how to do this best, but like, they're such a better colour now. They look so much more like naturally tanned. So I'm glad loads of the fake tan washed off, because I was thinking like, oh my gosh, this is a very dark colour, but now it's on me. I think it actually looks quite nice. So I've just realised I haven't actually reviewed the tan like in like, I don't know, like total, I guess. So hi, I'm back. It's been maybe what, 6 days since I tanned, and like, we're still looking pretty tan. Like, it's not faded that much at the moment. So I think this tan was £11. I can't really remember, but obviously I'll link it below. My overall opinions are like, as I actually really like it. So obviously when I first put it on, and then when I woke up the next day, I was like, oh my gosh, this is so dark. Like, I cannot believe how dark this tan is. Like, it better wash off, blah blah. And like, it did. It like a load washed off. I was not as near as dark as I was. And I actually think it gave a really nice colour. I'm not sure about the whole colour correcting thing. Like, I don't really know what that does. Apparently it's meant to like hide like purple veins and stuff, but I don't really think like I've got like that many purple veins. I mean, I guess like my wrists, you know, you kind of get veiny wrists. Like, they're not that veiny, but I think most of my veins are more like greeny than purple. Not that I really paid that much attention to my veins, I don't really remember. But yes, overall I think this tan's really good. I think next time I might get a medium, just because it is a dark tan. Like, it's not a medium tan, whereas like my cocoa brown dark is like, I would say like a medium, because like a lot of it washes off. It just depends how much washes off. But then also part of me doesn't know like if I had only left it on for like a couple of hours, if it would be as dark. Like, it's a really difficult situation, so I don't really know like if it would be lighter if I only left it on for a few hours. But I mean, anyway, overall, like, I am really happy with this tan. I would say it's worth it. I would just say it is a dark tan, but if you know that, then absolutely fine. But I just think for me, I should have got a medium, because I think that might have been a slightly less intense tan, and like, I love being tan, but when I woke up I was like, oh my gosh, this is not good. So yeah, I mean, like, if you're after a dark like goldeny tan, I would say like, it's not orange, and I think that's really good about it. It's like not an orange tan, like, it's just tan. Like, I would say it looks kind of like my natural tan, which is really good because it matched like my face fake tan, which I feel is like my natural tan when I go tan in the sun, you know. Anyway, I feel like I'm waffling quite a bit now because I'm kind of running out of things to say, because I feel like I said quite a lot of it as I went along in this video, instead of like how I normally do it, like try it and then we'll comment. Like I did bits of it throughout, because when I woke up I was like, oh my god, like I gotta show you guys like how dark the tan is. But yeah, so I hope you guys did enjoy this review. Overall, I would say it was worth it, but just you've got to be careful with the shades. If you like a really dark tan, then go for a dark, and if you like sort of maybe a slightly lighter tan, go for a medium. But overall, really good. It's lasted quite a few days. I'm actually gonna exfoliate it all off and retan tonight, because no, tomorrow night, because it's Thursday, and then I'll be tan for the weekend. So that's how I normally do it. I normally do it on a Thursday night, so then I've washed it all off Friday, and then I'm ready for the weekend. So yeah, hope you guys did enjoy this video. Super easy to apply. I like the tan. I feel like my hands have faded quite a bit, but like, you can kind of see it on my wrist, I guess. So yeah, overall good vibes, really like it. If there are any other fake tans you guys want me to review them, please do just let me know down below. I love a fake tan, so if there are any you want me to give a go, then please tell me and I will do so. Thank you so much for watching as always. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.